This is not leadership, it is the dangerous glorification of dynasty, entitlement, and authorization rule. Zimbabwe was never built to belong to one family, one clique, or a self-proclaimed king called Emerson Mnangagwa to the guest at unwanted totem of Shumba Murambwe. Tinapita mashoko kubuda panguva ino uchionekwa kunzi pane mapictures ayo ari kuno kwanzi pane mafiles ari kuno kwanzi they are now being filed achidescribe zvichazoitika after cap 3 panguva ino chazonowa this is total state capture and panguva ino Zimbabwe has been handed over to the Mnangagwa family. That was subscribe or like button on the video icon. So I'm going to in the video we're gonna those pictures amona kanyokashikasiyana kanzi His Majesty King Munumtapa will have the power to fire or appoint any member of his royal family to the rank within the Munumtapa army. The Majesty King Munumtapa will have the power to appoint his relative or friends to serve in the Munumtapa kingdom. Another point here, His Majesty King Munumtapa will appoint sons to command the provincial army barracks across the provinces. Another one here can see the Majesty King Munumtapa is to redeploy all veterans in the Zimbabwe Defense Forces to non-security departments. Another one, His Majesty King Munumtapa will abolish the following ranks within the Zimbabwe National Army: Brigadier General, Major General, Colonel, Major. And when I read this same document, the Zimbabwe Defense Forces will be renamed to Munumtapa Kingdom Army. His Majesty Munumtapa will appoint his son, Sean Mnangagwa, to the commander of the Munumtapa Kingdom Army. Doma developments are kubuda panguva ino muri Zimbabwe ari kuonekwa kunzi zvatodhakwa panguva ino muchiona zvadai, so tichiona kuti aiwa zvigananda if totally captured the state. Ndo kuri kuenda cap 3 uku. Penda comment section menu dzafungura iyi muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like up on channel, turn on the bell icon.